uyabona kuyipolitiki la eSouth Africa currently ayikho into engibhora nengicika njengokuthi MK neEFF bayalwa, and kufanele ukuthi nathi singene lapho siperpetuate impi engenasidingo nengenasizathu. Yazi bafethu, if you can understand ukuthi kusikhoste kangakanani ukuthi iEFF neMK bebe nje. Right now South Africa sinayo opposition united. iDA iyaflopa, iANC iyaflopa, and MK neEFF bayaflopa. Ngoba phela iMK neEFF bekuyisona sikhathi. Uyazi siya kuma elections bafowethu. Uyabona mekukhulunywa ngeunity yama progressive forces. It is impossible leyo nto leyo uma iEFF neMK they're standing in opposite ends. Ngiyazi bakhona no-ATM no bani singababala sithi ama progressive forces. It doesn't matter ihate yakho ingakanani ngeEFF noma ingakanani ngeMK. But isibuza ukuthi ubanyanyelani, yini lo banyanyela yona. Uyabona njengamanje iSouth Africa is taking, yabona le meeting ezohlala kusasa ka President Cyril Ramaphosa no Trump. iSouth Africa is going to take a direction ezosibuyisela emuva kakhulu, because ayikho uRamaphosa enye into ayenza lapha ngaphandle ukuthi ayozi submita, ayikho enye. And with this divided opposition successfully ezandleni zabamhlophe sibuyele sigijima siyokhotha uqoko, yona into soyenza leya. Ukube kuthiwa besine voice eunited yabantu abamnyama, uRamaphosa bethe buya lapha yana bezolifica lishizwe, ubezolifica libhubha ukuthi hey wena ngeke uzosidayisa uhlinzele ezibili nesiphila sibuka. Kodwa ngoba kunje futhi nje ngeke ngilokho ngize ngixaka lokho ngiupdate ngithi niyabona ukuthi aveni nonke niyabona we are vindicated, kade sasisho ukuthi we are led by cowards. Weyo ikhuluma la ukuthi you cannot be bullied, uyesegijima uya kumabhuli.